Hey, I'm Marty from Springhead Media Solutions. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my top 3 email marketing tricks that you may not be using yet. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and to my email list, obviously. And when you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and a little thank you in the comments, or share your favorite tricks. I'd love to hear what you have to say. That also helps other people find my channel as well. My number 1 trick that you haven't tried yet is changing the name that you're sending from, not the email address. Their inbox already knows the email address you've been using, but you can change up the name. Right here, I have some major retailers, right, who are changing up the name just to catch your attention, or as a way of kind of being an addition to the subject line, you know a little bit more about why they're emailing you. Next up, resending your email to people who didn't open it. I am all for working smarter, not harder. Oh, you've already created great content, but they didn't open it, so they didn't see it. This is your chance to try again. I think of email the way that I interact with email, which is sometimes you read things and sometimes you just delete your whole inbox. Same with your subscribers. So replicate that email, change up your subject line. Maybe that subject line didn't catch their eye for some reason. Change up the day and time that you're sending it, because again, maybe that day and time didn't work for them, and send it out again. And number 3, the biggest email marketing trick ever is to segment your audience. Be specific about who you're emailing about what. And if you're a small business and you're not creating a whole lot of emails and don't have a lot of time, you can actually just take your one email and send different subject lines to different groups of people, because you know what will catch their eye. You're sending a monthly newsletter that covers 3 different topics. Make the subject line speak to what they're interested in. No one minds getting emails that apply to them. We all just start unsubscribing when they don't apply to us. So be really conscientious about who you're sending what to. Those are my 3 tips. Let me know if you'd like some more information about segmenting audiences. I feel like that deserves its own video. Put that in the comments below. Check out the other videos I've got going on, and I'll talk to you soon.